Oh, this is a Fluke.
Wow, that's a nice one. Okay. Here, you want me to grab him?
Okay. Good. Ready?
Got on?
Yeah.
Oh, I got one. Oh, it is a monster. I gotta turn out my drag. Let me tell you something. This thing's huge. Oh, mine's back here. It's really trying. Oh, oh, it's huge. Did you see it?
No, I didn't see it.
Look at it.
Oh, that's a nice
Oh, that's
blue.
a nice blue. Oh, my God. Look at the size of that. I need to get the net. You got him. Oh, he broke off.
Yours broke off?
Yeah.
Shit, mine's still on. Pretty big, too. Got the net?
Yep.
Oh, mine's big, too.
I was going for the net. Oh, you don't even need that.
Oh, he's a
He's huge.
Okay?
Yep.
Oh, mother. That's definitely a boat. Whoa!
Oh, he's really huge.
Oh, man, he's onto the boat. Ah!
Here, let me get the net.
Get the net, baby. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh, these are nice ones, man. Good?
Yeah, let me get in.
Oh,
Going. Trouble with the rod.
that's definitely a blue.
There he is.
Ah! Watch your fingers, man. Woo. He's bigger than the ones we were catching the other day, too. Oh. Yeah, hold on. This one.